Alright, we're gonna show some like switches. Turn that one on. Oh, that's the switch. This is where that goes, and I'm gonna show you brightness around 75%, around half, and then 25%, and about 10%. Turn back to full and turn it off. Alright, let's turn that. Let's dim in that one. There, that's that one. Alright, turn that one off. Which switch is that? Which one is it? Which switch is I need to find a switch that's next. There, that's brighten. Next is this one. Now it's time to go downstairs and check. Wait, no, not. And here's a switch. Oh, that's closet light. See, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Wait till that fan slows down. You can see that when you walk in your room, you turn that on. Then let's go downstairs, turn that on. I'll dim in that as for night light. Let's go check downstairs like how the lighting is, but we're gonna gonna keep that on. Check out the tour at night. It's kind of creepy in there, isn't it? Less creep. That room looks less creepy whenever the lights are on. Does this one work? Alright, and then these, oh, oops. But I wonder where these come on. Where are they? No. I cannot find where these switches go. I don't know if they're supposed to come on together like that. I'm just gonna give up. But there's some way to get that on, but I could not find the switch. There's a vent. Turn these off. That's kind of like a nightlight, isn't it? Let's turn all of them off. Oh, that's creepy. Kind of like a basement, isn't it? I have to just get upstairs, but I'm going back up there because that's creepy down there without lights. It's actually not a basement, as you might have saw that front door, that back door, but that's gonna have to be it. You can see the front yard. But that is it now. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and there's lots of more to come.